Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for learning teeth retouching in Adobe Photoshop. Sometimes you may have to work for the clipping path, and during working in the clipping path, you may have to retouch teeth, you have to retouch eye, and many things else. And in this lesson, we are going to learn how to retouch teeth and how to fix the yellow teeth in Adobe Photoshop. So this is an image from our exercise file, and you can take a look that she have a yellow teeth, and we are going to retouch this teeth and we are going to make it white. And after making white, how it look like, let me turn on this layer 1, and you can take a look. Now it really looks well, and we have white teeth right now, and this is the process of teeth retouching. So let's take a look how it will retouch yellow teeth in Adobe Photoshop. So right now we have to open our exercise file. So here is the file menu, open option, and inside the retouching folder you will get this love image. So you just have to select it and then you have to click open. So let me click open. Okay, here is the image, and you can take a look. She have a yellow teeth, and we are going to retouch the teeth and we are going to make it white. So let's start the process. Right now I want to duplicate the background layer because I want to make the white teeth in a different layer, so you can compare in later with the before and after. And to do that, you just have to right click with your mouse in background layer, then you will get this duplicate layer option, and let me write white teeth. Okay, white teeth, and let me click OK. Okay, this is our new layer, and we are going to fix the teeth right now. We will use the dodge tool for whitening the teeth, and you will get the dodge tool in your tool panel. And if you don't have the dodge tool, then you have to find the burn tool or sponge tool. So we are going to use this dodge tool. So using the dodge tool, you can make the teeth white. And let me tell you one thing: before using the dodge tool on teeth, you have to select the range. Actually, it's have three type of range, like a midtones, highlights, and shadows. So if you want to apply the highlight and effect, then you have to use the highlights range, or if you want to use the shadow effect, then you will get this shadow range to use. But we are going to whiten the teeth, and that's why we are going to use the midtones for our ranges. Okay, and here is the exposure, and you have to increase the exposure because right now we have only 1%. And you know what is exposure? We learned about the color and adjustment section, and I want to pick minimum 50% for exposure. Okay, so please make sure that white teeth layer is selected, and right now I'm going to white the teeth. So let's zoom in the image, and to do that you just have to click the view menu, and here is the zoom in option. Okay, so you just have to use your mouse and you just have to draw the white midtones in teeth, and you can take a look. Now the teeth looks white. Okay, we have to make our brush smaller. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So we have the white teeth right now, and if you compare between before and after, you just have to turn off the white teeth layer. So let me turn it off. Okay, here is the before image, and it's have the yellow teeth, and after applying the dodge tool, we have the white teeth. Here is the white teeth after applying the dot tool, and it really looks good now. So this is the simple process for teeth retouch using the dot tool in Adobe Photoshop.